Welcome to Bob Pulte Chevrolet's social media channels. We have a 2023 Colorado Trail Boss. I want to talk about a little bit about ordering with these and kind of how we order the trucks, just so you can maximize as best you can value with the equipment. Real quick, we'll go over the outside, and then we're going to get into the inside because some of the packages are much more related to that. A couple things I do love about this: I love the Trail Boss emblem there. And I love the grille on this. Of course, you get the blacked out bow ties. I am trying this today, going off memory from my notes. So let's hope I don't make any mistakes. My better half thinks this is a terrible idea and I have a bad memory, and I can't remember her telling me that, but we'll see how it goes. We also get the 20-inch black wheels, gloss black wheels. For whatever reason, the window sticker was not available when they sent it to us. That will be coming. I will have a link below with more information. So the 20-inch gloss black wheels are an upgrade. Of course, pretty much every truck we order is going to have the spray and bed liner. You do get the 8 touch points there. You got the Trail Boss convenience package, which comes with the easy lift tailgate. Then you got the stow. You got the tailgate stow area there. I never opened that correctly, so I'm not going to mess with that today. I do love the little side assist step on this Colorado. It's not as big of an issue. I'm 6 feet tall. I can reach into the back, but you start getting any higher than this and it's a problem. You got your 120 volt outlet there. You got your towing setup there. Working our way, take a quick look in the back seat before we talk about all the other packages which are interior related. This one being a crew cab. You got a reasonably spacious back seat. And then this one we're going to talk about these in a second, the technology package, Trail Boss Convenience Package 2. Let's get inside, turn this on. A couple of the standard things that came with this vehicle that make me very happy include the upgrade to the infotainment center. Yes, hit okay. There we go. You got the 8-inch information center there. It is no longer analog, it's digital. You get the 11.3-inch touchscreen radio. Significant upgrade over the previous radio that was in the Colorado, the touchscreen. This one also has a technology package, so you're going to have HD surround vision is going to come with that. I love HD surround vision. I actually we just bought a new vehicle that does not have it. I've got so used to it in our 2019 QX60 that we had. It's taken me a little getting used to not having the HD surround vision. Also, you're going to have adaptive cruise control with that technology package. As you know, I'm not going to be taking a test drive today and showing you that. You're just going to have to take my word for it. You're also going to have the wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. That's going to come standard. I love that you can stream Waze without having to plug it into the ports down there. That way, I love Waze because I want to know where the police are because I have a bit of a lead foot. And last of all, you got the Trail Boss Convenience Package 2. I'll put some of the information on these packages in the comment or notes section below. MSRP is $43,215. We are honoring GM Employee and Supplier pricing. If you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call at 513-932-0303. I forgot to mention the sliding rear window. Or you can leave a question in the comments section. I will answer any questions you have. I am also open to constructive criticism. Please don't make me cry. I have a fragile psyche, as Jess there. Say whatever you want, I'll reply. Thank you, everybody. Have a great day.